Wait.
Okay, so mag-start na lang ta kay 40 na muna. So, we have for BS Stat 2A, Aligsaw,
Present ma'am.
Ando, wala
Ando
sunod,
present miss.
Ascona,
Present miss.
Boyles,
Present miss.
Cavalida,
Present, ma'am.
Igam,
Present, Miss.
Hill,
Present miss.
Lofranco.
Present miss.
Okay, we have Muñez,
Present miss.
Natural,
Present, miss.
Ubuta,
Present miss.
Umulon, wala, Iki,
Present miss.
Rio,
Present, miss.
Salva,
Present, Miss.
Suway Bagyo,
Present
wala,
miss. Way Bagyo.
Talaog,
Present miss.
Tero,
Present miss.
Tubin,
Present miss.
Uy, Ulas Uy, okay, Vergara.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, so for BS Stat 2A, so duha ang absent. We have Umulon and Uy. So for BS Mat 2-1, we have Adlawan,
Present, miss.
Alipio,
Present ma'am.
Amok,
Present, miss.
Anagon,
Present, ma'am.
Anyasco,
Present, ma'am.
Arong,
Present arong ma'am.
Bacarisas,
Present ma'am.
okay, Kabahar,
Present miss.
Digamo,
Present, ma'am. Present.
Flores,
Present miss.
Gulay,
Present miss.
okay, we have Isok, Walas Isok, Humag, wala sad, Larobes,
Ay, present humag ma'am. Present.
Larobes,
Present miss.
okay, Magale,
Present, miss.
Maluya,
Present, ma'am.
Perez,
Perez, present.
Romanos, Walas Romanos, Saholga,
Present ma'am.
Tapping,
Present, miss.
Trompeta.
Present ma'am.
Okay, so I will present now my screen. So our discussion is just a continuation. No? So we have Humag. Okay na may kahumag. Okay, so this is just a continuation of our last discussion. So given that we have the properties, like 6 properties for this theorem, so we have an example. So find the A dot B cross C. So if A is 1, -1, 2, and B is the vector 3, 4, -2, and C is equal to the vector -5, 1, 4. Okay, so try to solve. So kabaw na mo unsaon na pag-solve ang cross product o ang dot product. So if ever nga naay given gani class nga dot na cross, so ang unahon ninyo solve is ang cross product. Okay, na after that, i-solve dayon ninyo ang dot. Okay, so try to solve this example. So if you're done, send it to our group chat. Hello. Kapit na ma-solve? Yes? Wala pa? Okay, so nanay nag-answer sa BS Math 3-1, no? But her answer is wrong. So try again. Okay, so for BS.2A, we have Jed. So the answer is correct. So A dot B cross C is equal to 10. So for Christine, so your answer is also correct. So very good. So first, so we need to show to solve the B cross C. So if we have, wait sa ha. If A is 1, -1, 2, and then B is 3, 4, -2, C is negative 5, 1, negative 4. Okay? And then we need to solve for A dot B cross C. So first is the B cross C. So this is equal to the determinant of, so I, J, K. So B, this is 3, 4, negative 2. C is negative 5, 1, negative 4. So this is minus 16i. So we apply the basket method. So this is plus 10j. Next, we have plus 3k. So we have minus negative 20k. And then this is minus negative 2i minus negative 12j. So this is equal to negative 16i plus 10j plus 3k plus 20k plus 2i plus 12j. So simplify, we have 4i, this is minus 14i. Okay, and then the j here is 22j, by 10 plus 12, and then k is 23. Okay, next, we solve for a dot b cross c. This is equal to, so our a here is 1, negative 1, 2, and then dot, so this is minus 14, 22, 23. Okay, so by the dot product, this is 1 times negative 14 plus negative 1 times 22 plus 2 times 23. This is negative 14, okay, minus 22 plus 46. So this is 10. Okay, question? Okay, so we already solved the A dot B cross C. So what if kani ang atong isolve? Okay, so check if the same ra ba ang result for A cross B dot C. So dapat ang result kay 10 kay equal man siya. Okay, so if you're done, so send it to our group chat. Okay. So for the A cross B dot C, so this is sa erase ha. So dapat equal sa ni siya sa 10. So we have A cross B dot C. Okay, so first we solve for the A cross B. So this is the determinant of, we have I, J, K, and then 1, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 2. So this is 2i, and then we have minus plus 6j, and then we have 4k. So for the reverse, we have minus negative 3k minus, so this is 8i minus negative 2j. So we simplify, this is 2i minus 8i, this is minus 6i. J is plus 10j, and then k is 7. Okay? So for A cross B dot C, this is minus 6, 10, 7. Dot, ang C is negative 5, 1, negative 4. Okay? So, by the definition of the dot product, this is minus 6 times negative 5 plus 10 times 1 plus 7 times negative 4. So, we have 30 plus 10 minus 28. So, there's something wrong. Sa this is A plus B, 1, negative 1, 2. So 2i, and then j is 6j. Okay. Sa j, tanay sayop, no? We have 8j cos 6 plus 2, and then 4, so we have 7. So this is 6, 8, 7. So this is 8. Okay, so this is equal to 10. Okay, so for the A cross B cross C, so try to solve. So ang BStat 2A na solve na ni. So how about for 2, 1? So mat 2, 1. Okay, so if you're done, BS mat 2, 1, so send it to our group chat. Okay, so kung ano mo answer. Okay, so we have A cross B cross C. Okay, so first we solve for this one. So the B cross C. So this is equal to the determinant of, so we have I, J, K, 3, 4, negative 2, negative 5, 1, negative 4. So this is equal to negative 16i, and then we have plus 10j, then minus 3k, then we have minus negative 20k, and then we have so this is minus negative 2i minus, so negative 12j. So we simplify, so for I, we have negative 14i, and then, so this is, we have negative 16, the j, we have 22j, and then the k here is 23. Ay, 17 na guys. This is D B cos C, same given. It's a so this is okay. Okay, so this is plus. So we have 23k. Okay, so for A cross B cross C, this is equal to the determinant. So ang A we have, so this is I, J, K. A is 1, negative 1, 2. B cross C, this is minus 14, 22, 23. Okay, so this is negative 23I. And then the J here is minus 28J. So we have K is plus 22K. And then the reverse, we have 14K minus, so this is minus 44I minus 23J. Okay, so simplify, we have negative, so for I, this is 67I. J is minus, so this is 11, 51J. And then for K, this is 6. We have 8K. Okay, and this is the final answer. So if we use this one, so we have the same result. Okay, so for we have the angle between two vectors. So if A and B are two vectors in the three-dimensional vector space, and theta is the angle between the vector A and B, then the magnitude of the A cross B is equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B sine theta. So, same na siya class if gaan mo o vector A, B, and then you need to find the sine theta. So, i-solve na ninyo ang the magnitude of A cross B over the magnitude of A and times the magnitude of B. So actually, from this formula, we can solve for the area of a parallelogram. Okay, so unsaon man siya, no? So we assume that we have a parallelogram. So like this one. This is P. We have Q, and then R, and then we have S. Talembal. Okay, so if we have this parallelogram, so kani class kay naa ni siya sa three-dimensional ha, so mga points ni siya sa three-dimensional in which naka-form og parallelogram. So that we can apply the properties of vectors. So from here for PR, we let this as the vector A, okay, and then PQ, so we let this as the vector B, and this is our angle between A and B. So this is the theta. And then we can form an altitude. So from here, we can form a right triangle. Okay, so if naka-remember pa mo sa formula for the area of a parallelogram, this is base times height. So, ang base na to ani class is the vector A, and then ang height is kaning altitude. So, this is B, and then this one is the height. Okay? So, so this is, ato lang ikuan nga, this is the magnitude of A. So, we have here, B is a magnitude of A, and then the height. So, since we can form a right triangle, so we can apply the SOHCAHTOA. So, sine theta. So, sine theta is opposite over, so SOHCAHTOA. So opposite over hypotenuse. So, ang opposite sa angle is H. Okay? H. And then, so, opposite over adjacent, hypotenuse. So, ang atong hypotenuse is the B. So, the magnitude of B. Kay ang distance man ni. Okay? So, H is equal to the magnitude of B sine theta. So, we substitute, this is times the magnitude of B sine theta, in which from the definition, this is A cross B. So, by the vector, we can use this one to solve the area of a parallelogram. So, the area of parallelogram is just equal to the magnitude of the A cross B. Okay? So, for example, okay, so remember ha, so this is the magnitude of A cross B for the area. So, for example, we need to show that the show that the quadrilateral having vertices at P 1, negative 2, 3, Q 4, 3, negative 1, R is 2, 2, 1, and S is 5, 7, negative 3 is a parallelogram. Okay? And find its area. So first, we need to show nga these points are the points of a parallelogram. Okay, so we need to show nga these are vertices of a parallelogram. So from the definition of a parallelogram, so di ba ang iyahang opposite nga side dapat parallel siya. Okay? So if ato ni siyang i-drawing, P is 1, negative 2, 3. Q is 4, 3, negative 1. R is 2, 2, 1. And then we have S is 5, 7, negative 3. So first, para dali na to makita, no? So we will draw these points in the three-dimensional vector space. So, di sa lang ta mag-exact ano ha. Ang ato lang is makita ang iyahang figure. Okay, so 1, negative 2, 3, so 1. And then negative 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3. So we have this point. Okay, this is the point P. And then for Q, so we have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3. And then 1. Okay, so this is Q. Okay, R, we have 2, 2, 1. So we have 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, and then we have 1, 2, and then 1. So this point. So this is R. And then S is 5, 7, negative 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then negative 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have this point. So if we connect, kaya so i-assume ni nga morning nouns parallelogram. So naroon siya disparity because of the dili exact ang points. Pero parallelogram din siya. Okay, so ang atong i-show kay this one. Kani PQ, the side PQ and RS is parallel, and then PR and QS. So first we have the vector PQ. Okay, so we can create from this one the vector. So this is the i-minus ra nato ang mga coordinates, no? So we have 4 minus 1, and then 3 minus negative 2, then negative 1 minus 3. This is 3, 5, negative 4. Next is the vector RS. So this one. Okay, so the vector RS. So R of S, this one. So we have 5 minus 2, 7 minus 2, negative 3 minus 1. So this is 3, 5, negative 4. Next, so we have the vector PR. This one. So P and R, this is 2 minus 1, 2 minus negative 2, and then 1 minus 3. So this is the vector 1, 4, negative 2. Then last, we have the vector QS. So the vector QS, this is equal to, so S is 5 minus 4, and then 7 minus 3, negative 3 minus 1. So we have 1, 4, negative, so S is US. Negative 3 minus negative 1 din siya. Okay, so this is minus 2. So remember, So, two vectors are parallel kung sa ganito class. So, scalar multiple siya. So, kung imo na i-check, equal siya, no? So, meaning, ang scalar ani is 1. Okay? So, from this point, we can prove that this is the vertices of a parallelogram because the vertex PQ, the vector PQ and the vector RS is parallel, and then the vector PR and the vector QS is also parallel. Okay, so therefore, the points PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, so next, we need to show that the area of a parallelogram. So, from the definition, so this is the area is the magnitude of A cross B. Okay, so we assume this is our A, and then we have our B. Is this one. So, kaniya itong mahimo nga altitude, no? And then we have this theta. Okay, so A cross B, this is, unahon sa nato ang A cross B ha. So, we have A cross B is equal to, so ang A na to is ang vector PR. Okay, so we have the determinant of I, J, K, A na to, so this is our A, the vector PR, so we have 1, 4, negative 2, and then the B is the vector PQ, so 3, 5, negative 4. Okay, this is our P. So we solve, this is minus 16I, and then we have minus 6J, minus 5, plus 5K. So 16, 6, 5. And then last, we have minus 12K. And then we have minus negative 10I, minus, so we have negative 4J. Okay, so simplify. So for I, this is negative 16 plus 10. So this is minus 6I. J is minus 6 plus 4. So minus 2J. And then K is minus 7. So this is minus 7K. Okay. So from this one, so we can solve the area of the parallelogram. So the magnitude of A cross B is the square root of, this is negative 6 square plus negative 2 square plus negative 7 square. Okay, so this is the square root of 36 plus 4 plus 49, in which this is the square root of 89. So meaning the area is the square root of 89 square units. Okay, so napatay time. So please go screenshot. Okay na? Class? Hello?
Yes, miss. Okay na, miss.
Okay, so try to solve. So show that the quadrilateral having vertices at 1, negative 2, 3, and then 4, 3, negative 1, then we have 2, 2, 1. Last, we have and 5, 7, -3. So show that these points are the vertices of a parallelogram and find its area. So if you're done, send it to our group chat. Wait, so it's an error. I will change the given. So we have -2, 1, -1, and then 1, 1, 3, -5, 4, 0, and then 8, 4, -4. Hello. Nasolve ninyo? Class? Hello. Yung ay tao?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so na correction.
Di siya kuan, ma'am. Di siya parallel.
Dili. Kanirain. This is -8. Parallel na siya. Pero need niyo i-show ha. Hello? Nasolve na? Kung nalay solve, okay. Napaka-class.
Parallel jud siya. Yeah, parallel jud siya, ma'am.
Yes, parallel. Sahan, check ko sa answer ni chat. Okay. So, ato na siyang i-graph ha. Okay, so for this we have RP is negative 2, 1, negative 1. So this is 1, 2, and then 1, down, negative 1. So this is our P. Okay, Q is 1, 1, 3. So we have, this is 1, and then 1, 1, 2, 3. So 3 units above. So this is our Q. Next is we have RS. So R is negative 5. So 1, so 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is R. Okay. S is, so we have 6, 7, 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our S. So if we connect, okay, so naka-form siya of parallelogram. Okay, so if we solve, so asa man ni first na to i-solve. So pwede ta kani this one. So this is the vector 2, 3. Okay, so the vector QP, this is Q minus P. We have 1 plus 2, and then 1 minus 1, then 3 plus 1. So this is 3, 0, 4. Okay, next we have the vector RS. So this is S minus R. So S, we have negative 8. Then R, so we have plus 5. Okay, and then negative 8 plus 5. Then 4 minus 4. Then we have negative 4, 0. Minus 0. So we have negative 3, 0, negative 4. Okay, so based sa definition sa parallel, so mura man siya nakuha ta og multiple. Diba? So ang buhaton na lang nato ani class is this is just equal to negative 1, 3, 0, 4. So this is still a parallel. So wa siya giingon nga the same siya direction. Ang iya lang is parallel siya. Okay? So we have negative 5. Next is okay. So next, kaning nga vector, we have QR. So the vector QR. So this is R minus Q. So R is negative 5 minus 1. And then 4 minus 1, 0 minus 3. So we have negative 6, 3, negative 3. Okay? So for the vector, this one, PS. So this is S minus P. So we have a negative 8 minus plus 2. And then 4 minus 1. And then we have negative 4 plus 1. So this is negative 6, 3, negative 3. Okay, so equal na siya. So this is also parallel. So we have this is PQRS is a parallelogram because the vector QP is parallel to the vector RS and the vector QR is parallel to the vector PS. Okay, so next, so we need to find the area. Okay, so here, ang atoang A is this one. Ini. This is our A. Okay, and then this is our B. Okay, so dapat ha, same sila og initial point. So nganong naka-decide mata nga naa diri si A and then naa si B. Kay, di ba from the definition, ang iyahang formula is base times height. So anhi man ta mo form og height. Diri dapit this one. Okay, so ang base is kung asa ta nag-form of height. Okay, so we have our A is the vector QR. So ato lang isuwat ha. So A is equal to the vector negative 6, 3, negative 3. Okay, QR. And then B is the vector UP. So this is 3, 0, 4. So first, we need to solve. So ako ning tagtangon ang kuan ha. Please ako picture. Okay na?
Yes, Miss.
Kuning i-erase ang graph. So we have first, we need to solve the A cos B. So this is I, J, K, negative 6, 3, negative 3. And then B is 3, 0, 4. So this is 12I. And then we have minus 9J plus 0K. And minus, so we have minus 9K. And then minus 0I minus negative 24J. Okay, so I is 12I and then J is plus 15J, K is minus 9K. So we have 12I plus 15J minus 9K. But wala pa tanahuman kay we need to find the magnitude of A cos B. So the area of the parallelogram is equal to the magnitude of A cross B, in which this is the square root of, so 12 square plus 15 square plus negative 9 square. Okay, so we have 144 plus pila man yung 15 times 15, 215 plus 81.
225.
225 guys, sorry. This is 225. So we have 225 plus 144 plus 81. This is 450. So, pwede na to ma-factor of ato i-try og 9. Okay, divide 9. So, this is the square root of 9 times 50. So, this is 3 square root of 50 square units. And this is the answer. Okay, so actually the answer of JED from BS Stat 21 is still correct for the checking the PQRS is a parallelogram. But for the area of the parallelogram kay ang gisolve nimo JED is this one. Okay, so the vector, so need pa to siya isolve ang magnitude para ma-solve ang area. Okay? So question. So next meeting, so which is Thursday, so atong i-discuss kay ang calculus na siya of vectors. So model na ta og derivatives. Okay? So after that, if mahuman ta sa derivatives, next meeting tingay musod na ta og another chapter. Kay napatay mga tulo ka chapter nga apason. Okay? Question? Wala na. So, sinsay wala ka attendance. So, for BS Stat 2A, we have Umulon and Oy.
Uy, ma'am, present.
Okay, late na to. Kinsa pa? Sa Math 1. Iso? Wala si Iso? Romanos? Okay, 2. Wala na? Duhara? So, for the BS Math 1, so si Iso. And then for BS Stat 2A, kay si Umulon. Okay, so before we will end, so kindly open your camera for documentation. So I will stop my presentation. So please take note ha. This is still part of the midterm exam. May part pa man siya sa A cross B. So for the cross product. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, so thank you. So that's all for today. Goodbye and good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.